Dudes, have y'all ever been working on something and know you had it square, and then you take something you think square and check it and it ain't square? Well, now I'm gonna show you why sometimes, because heck, sometimes the square just ain't square. Let's check a few. Hey there, welcome back. We're going to check out these squares and see why one of them's not square, because I've been working on this project and I had something come up wonky and I said, why in the world is that wonky? And of all things, you know, you'd think that the square that would be the worst would be this big one, and then maybe this one, you know, the framing square, and then maybe this engineering or little solid set square, it's braided together, would be the most accurate, most likely, right? And then I got the digital set up here, which, well, we know how that works. It's better than all these if you got a way to set it up. So what I figured out, guys, is of all these, this is the one that's causing me the problem. So I'm going to lay them down here and show you what the differences are and how they lay out, and then we're going to destroy it right quick. Y'all want to watch it? Let's do it. Let's break it up. But I'm going to show you how bad it is and why I can't use it. So hey, stick with it. This end? Okay, folks, that's what you do when you check your squares and you find one that's not square. Just destroy it and make it into bits, and maybe get a good straight edge out of the deal if it's straight. You'll check it good. But other than that, you know, just do what you can with it and enjoy it, because when you got to get out of the house and just do something for a little bit, this is a good thing to do. Go check all these squares and make sure they own the square, you know. So, hey, and remember this, them likes are free. If you hadn't subbed yet, I'd sure appreciate you. And the other thing I want to tell everybody is this: God loves you, and so do I, and can't take it with you. So hey, let's go buy some more tools. Stay out of trouble. See y'all next time.